Alright guys, we are at the Seafood Island. Mercy's here looking at the menu. We are hungry. We are going to eat some seafood today at the Seafood Island here in SM Clark. We've eaten here in SBMA when we lived down in Barrio Barreto before, and we love it. And we are going to check out the offerings here. They got something's changed on the menu here.
Yeah, I'm looking for the surf and turf.
Yeah.
And it's not here.
We don't have the surf and turf anymore, huh?
No.
All right. Well, I'm sure we'll find something that's delicious.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Love the seafood, man. We love the seafood, especially Mercy. She really loves the seafood.
Yeah, I do.
All right, we're going to do the surf and turf. That's what we always get, and that's what we like. It serves 2 to 3 people, and sometimes we get a seafood rice with that, right?
Yeah.
Do we do that? And I think it comes with rice. I think it shows it in the middle, but we like the seafood rice.
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing today?
That's what we're doing today.
All right. Yeah, it's a Saturday here, guys. It is very busy in the mall today. A lot of activity going on. It's a beautiful day out. It doesn't look like rain right now. Blue skies. That might be some of the reason. We got some good weather. All right, guys. We have our plate of surf and turf here. Check it out. That looks delicious. We are hungry. Mercy's ready to eat.
I am.
Yeah. Mercy's upset because why?
I'm waiting for 3
It
hours.
took too long. It took way too long today for them to bring it out. They had some big parties in here, but that's no excuse, right?
No, it's not.
So what do we got here? We got some little octopus right here, some poussette, squid, grilled fish. Got a grilled leg quarter, some mussels in the middle here. What did you get on your plate? Shrimp. You got some
I have shrimp,
over there.
I have
Some
fish.
fish, yeah. What's that? What's this one
pork.
here? Oh, you got some pork. All right. Just enough for 2 people. And then a big pile of this yellow rice. It's really good, this rice.
Yeah, the
Love
rice
it.
is good.
Yeah. All right, guys, we polished off the seafood, left a little bit of rice. Oh, here comes the damages, just in time. See what our damages were here. Oh, shoot, it went flying out. So our damages are $865, it looks like. 98, so 866 actually, for a grilled surf and turf, little pork, little chicken, little seafood. And we have something crazy going on outside. It has just built into this
I told Eric,
giant
look
mob.
how famous we are.
Yeah, they're not here to see us, that's for sure. We got a mob of people out here, and it is continuing to grow. SB19, Filipino boy band, I guess, which would explain the 90% girl to guy ratio in the line out here. So yeah, I'll take a walk out here and let you see with the crowd while Mercy pays the bill. I'm going to go give you a look at the crowd that's built up out here. Quite the crowd. I guess they're waiting for them to pull up, maybe get some autographs possibly. But I never heard of SB19. I thought it was a K-pop group or something, but I was told it's a Filipino boy band. And they are waiting. They're waiting with their little ears. Oh, I see the faces of the boys on the heads of some of the people here. If you look. Some people has the group members on there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there we go. He's got some of the group members on his little, like Mickey Mouse ears going on here. Yeah, large group of people in line, waiting. It just keeps going, and it's growing and growing. Oh, wow, it's way back there too. Check it out. I didn't even see it back there. Yeah. Tons of people here to see this boy band. Cool. Now, will I be hanging out waiting for these guys to arrive? Probably not. I think we're done. We're gonna head out. I hope all the people who want autographs get them though. There's a big line of them. Funny stuff. I gotta see what this is all about. So who is this coming today? All of them.
All of them. It's SB19.
SB19.
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder. I'm wondering what the big crowd is for. I don't know, right? I'm old and white, so I have no idea. So I'm curious. Can I see some pictures?
Oh yeah, sure.
Oh, this is who?
This is Justin.
Justin?
And this is Stel.
Just in time?
Yeah, Stel.
Who's this?
Stel.
Stel.
Yeah.
How about these ones?
Good looking kids?
It's Pablo.
Pablo. He's in a Jeep.
Yeah.
Pablo, huh? Cool.
How many? 4 or 5?
5.
So you girls hoping to get a date with these guys?
Yes, why not?
All right. Well, thanks for the information, buddy.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys, we're back from the seafood island and all those crazy kids in line over there at Clark. They were happy to see this SB19, whoever they are.
I remember those days when I was young, and yeah, I used to
Posters
do the same
on the
thing.
wall and dreaming
I
of
used to do the same thing.
dreaming of who was it back then? Leif Garrett. Had Leif Garrett up on the wall. Those are the good old days, right?
Yeah.
Backstreet Boys.
Backstreet Boys.
No, those weren't your teenage
no,
times.
No, not even that.
We were married during
Menudo.
the Backstreet.
That was Menudo from Puerto
Backstreet
Rico.
Boys. Menudo.
Chicos from
We've ate
Venezuela.
menudo before. I don't care for menudo too much.
Yeah,
when you're cooking menudo, it smells like somebody's boiling a cat or
no,
something.
Papi, Menudo is a group of like, you know.
I know, but
like,
it's also a food, right?
It's also food.
Yeah, I'm always thinking of the food. Yeah, menudo was who was that? Ricky Martin.
Ricky Martin
When
was
he first
there.
started.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I know my Spanish history, music history. Anyway, we drove a little errand after had to stop and pick up something over at Nepo Center. I ordered some T-shirts.
My God.
And you guys will see those soon, maybe tomorrow. In the Breakfast Club, I'll break them out. We got some new T-shirts we had made, and they're quite good. Anyway, we took the drive from Clark SM Mall out to Nepo Quad, and it took
Forever.
maybe an hour and a half.
Yes, the
There-
traffic was.
There's a fiesta
It
that
was
we
a
didn't know
fiesta.
about down
It
there.
was what, the first day of all the saints or
Saints
Oh,
Day or something.
I don't know, something.
I asked somebody what's
It
going
was.
on. I didn't know it, but the traffic
Gosh.
was the worst.
Was a
And you know
nightmare.
what? When you don't have your camera mounted on the bike is normally when you need it. I should have had a camera on the bike for today's trip.
Oh God.
I was driving through all kinds of terrain to get
Oh,
through
my
traffic, and I was just following the rest of the motorcycles, and they were being
Crazy things happen.
very daring, especially the Grab and Panda guys.
Oh yes, they in the hurry to.
They were upset.
Do the deliveries. Oh
They,
God.
they were going
what?
nowhere fast.
Frustrating.
Anyway, yeah, that was some challenging, thick Manila-style driving today. It's probably like that in Manila every day, but
Great.
today it was down by the Nepo Quad down in Angeles for the celebration. They had a parade, a lot of confetti in the road. We just missed it, I guess, but the traffic was horrendous.
Horrendous.
Yeah, it was.
Nightmare.
Anyway, we just got home. It's been a long day.
I mean, shoot, we've been in the road from what 3:30.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's 6:30 right
6:30.
now.
We did stop and rest up and whatever.
Gosh.
Got a drink, had a lemonade.
And a bunch of water
And a
because
bunch of
after
water.
the seafood we're so thirsty.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh gosh.
All right.
Anyway,
Yep, that was our day today. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for subscribing.
Thank you
As
for-
always,
thank you for watching.
we got some big news ahead, guys. I'm going to let you in on it as soon as I can.
Yes.
But we have some big stuff brewing here in Angeles City.
Yes. Stay tuned.
I can't even start to tell you what it is.
Not yet.
Because it's not quite finished yet, but something big coming. What's that thing where you look it up in the sky? It's just like, what is that? Is that a UFO? Something
Is
coming
it a
through the
plane?
clouds.
Is it a star?
All right, guys. Thanks again. We'll see you on the next video.
Thank you. See you next time.